Brian Bowersock, the Automan here. Today we're talking about belts and how important they are on your vehicle. Now almost every vehicle, I should say every vehicle, has a belt on it or some type of belt. In the older days we had what was called a V-belt. We do not see these very often. They don't really exist too much. Everything now has pretty much gone to serpentine belts like you see here. There's a lot of different failures that can happen with belts. Everything from getting sand and gravel into them to where they start to come apart on the edges. If they get contaminants on them, they will start to come apart, such as oil or antifreeze, items like that excessively. When checking belts, it should be done regularly during an inspection, usually during an oil service, to make sure the backside's not wearing, the inside grooves aren't wearing too much, etc., things like that. We also want to check all the tensioners for the belts, along with the idler pulleys, their bearings, etc. Very important items. If one of these do fail and a belt fails, a vehicle could overheat or you could lose a charging system, or multiple other things could happen with the vehicle. A belt is very important to the operation of the engine and preventing damage to it and keeping you on the road. Have your belts inspected regularly. I'm Brian Bowersock with the West Automotive Group.
For the latest automotive news and helpful tips, join the Automan next Friday following News 8 at 7 a.m. and 7 p.m. on the CW San Diego.